North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to 50 Alfred Street East, Unit 105. He's reporting a water leak in his apartment in the hallway, possibly near the electrical sockets. It's 50 Alfred Street East, Unit 105, between Shooter and Center. North Huron Wingham, please respond. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, attention North Huron Wingham, please respond to 50 Alfred Street East in Wingham. You'll be responding to apartment 105. He is reporting a water leak in his apartment in the hallway. He states it's near the electrical sockets, possibly. I've put him through to OPP on 911 as well. That is 50 Alfred Street East, Unit 105, between Shooter and Center. Wingham Station, please respond. It's 222717.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Bye, car 3.
Dispatch, car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station.
Roger that, car 3. You've acknowledged for Wingham at 222743.
Fire dispatch, call North.
North Huron unit calling, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show engine 1 responding to 50 Alfred Street East to the report of a water leak.
Roger that, engine 1, you're responding. It is 223117. Break. I have an update from OPP.
Roger that, dispatch. You can show engine 1 on scene. Alpha will be command and mobile. Go ahead with your update.
Roger that, engine 1, you're on scene. Alpha's command and mobile. OPP advised that you could stand down. It's a small spray in the hallway. They're calling the landlord, but since you're on scene, we'll leave that with you.
Roger that. Thank you, dispatch. I'll make contact with OPP.
Roger that. We sent an ambulance precautionary. He was very stressed on the phone. Just advise if they're not required.
Dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
After speaking with OPP, fire is not required. They also state that EMS is not required either. You can show command will be terminated. Engine 1 will be returning to Wingham Station.
Roger that. After speaking with OPP, fire and EMS not required. Command terminated. Engine 1 returning to Hall. Did ambulance arrive, or would you like me to cancel them?
That's negative. Ambulance didn't arrive. If you could get a hold of them, that'd be great. Thank you.
Roger that. Canceling ambulance now. It's 223309.
Fire dispatch, call Wingham Station.
Go ahead, Wingham.
You can show engine 1 back in Wingham Station, back in service. Could you clear off that incident? And have a good night.
Roger that. Engine 1, you're back at Hall. Wingham Station's back in service, and I did call ambulance to cancel them. Enjoy the rest of your evening. It's 223609, and I'm clearing it now.